If you thought that VLC is only used for playing any type of video or audio files on your computer, then not. You are missing a lot of features in VLC. In this video, I will show 11 tips, tricks and features in VLC that you will not even know that VLC Media Player has these features. And let's get started with the video. Number 1. Convert media files. Do you know that VLC has a built-in media converter? You can change video and audio files into another format. Here's how you do it. Go to the menu bar and click on Media, click on Convert and Save. In the pop-up window, click on Add. Select your video file and click on Open. Then click on Convert and Save. You can choose the default profile or create a custom profile. Then click on the Browse to select your destination file to where you want your converted files to be saved. After choosing your file, click on the Start button. Number 2. Create bookmarks. Creating bookmarks makes it easier for you to come back and continue watching your video. To create a bookmark, pause the video that you currently want to bookmark. Then go to the menu bar and click on Playback. Go down to Custom Bookmarks and click on Manage. In this window, click on Create. This will create a new bookmark in the video. To go back to your bookmark, go to the menu bar and click on Playback. And go down to Custom Bookmarks and you can see your bookmark of this video. Click on the bookmark and you can continue watching your video. Number 3. Stream or download videos. You can stream or download videos using VLC Media Player. But the stream download feature does not work on all websites. To stream a video directly into VLC, the first step is to copy the URL of the video that you want to stream. Then in VLC, on the menu bar, click on Media, click on Open Network Stream. In the empty box, paste the URL of the video that you have just copied and click on Play. To download the video, go to the menu bar, click on Tools, click on Codec Information. Now, copy the URL and paste it on the address bar of your browser. Right-click on the video and click on Save Video As. Choose your download location, and click on Save. The video will be downloaded to your computer. Number 4. Screen Recorder. VLC has a built-in screen recorder. You can record your entire desktop screen using VLC. To record your desktop screen using VLC, go to the menu bar, click on Media, click on Open Capture Device. Change the capture mode to desktop. In the frame rate settings, change it to 30 frames per second. Then come down to where it says Play and click on the drop-down arrow. And click on Convert. You can choose your profile or create your custom profile. Then choose your destination folder. Name your recording, and click on Save. Now, click on the Start button, and your recording will begin. To stop the recording, open VLC. Click on the Stop button. Your recorded videos will be saved in the folder you have just selected before. Number 5. You can record video or audio directly in VLC. To record a video or audio that is currently playing in VLC, go to the menu bar and click on View. Click on Advanced Controls. You can see that a new layer of controls has appeared in the lower left. To begin recording, click on the record button. To stop recording, click on the same record button. Your video recordings are saved to your videos folder and your audio recordings are saved to your music folder. Number 6, Audio Equalizer. VLC has a graphical audio equalizer, so you can fine-tune your VLC playback audio. To access the audio equalizer, go to the menu bar, click on Tools, click on Effects and Filters. From here you have to enable it and you are good to go. You can choose different presets, and click on Save. Number 7, Add watermark to your videos. You can add your watermark to your video without the need for any video editing software. To add a watermark, go to the menu bar. Click on Tools. Click on Effects and Filters. Click on the Video Effects tab. Then come down and click on the Overlay tab. From here you can add your image or add text as a logo. To apply the watermark, you have to record your video in VLC, which I have shown in number 5. Number 8, Open multiple instances of VLC window. There may be times you want to open more than one window at the same time for multitasking purposes. By default, VLC does not allow you to open more than one window at the same time. But you can change it by the following steps. Go to the menu bar. Click on Tools. Click on Preferences. Go down to the section to where it says Playlists and Instances. Uncheck the box, use only one instance when started from the file manager, then click on Save. After doing this you can open multiple instances of VLC window at the same time. Number 9. Play Jigsaw puzzle in VLC. Hey, if you are bored and you want to play a jigsaw puzzle, then you can turn any video frame into a jigsaw puzzle. Here's how you do it. First, pause the video. Go to the menu bar. Click on Tools. Click on Effects and Filters. Then click on the Video Effects tab. Come down and click on Geometry and check the box next to the puzzle game. You can adjust the rows and columns according to your wish. Now all that's left for you to do is to start arranging the puzzle. Number 10. Take a screenshot of a video in VLC. If you didn't know, you can take a screenshot of a video directly in VLC. To take a screenshot, pause the video that you currently want to take a screenshot. Then right-click on the video, go down to Video, and click on Take Snapshot. The shortcut key for Windows is Shift+S. And for Mac OS is Command+Alt+S. All the screenshots are automatically saved in the Pictures folder of your computer. Number 11. Always start your video in full screen. By default VLC always starts in windowed screen view. To change it to full screen, go to the menu bar and click on Tools. Click on Preferences. Click on the Video tab. Check the box next to full screen and click on Save. Now, if you open a video file, it will always start in full screen. That's it guys, these are the 11 amazing tips, tricks and features that are available in VLC Media Player. I hope this video helped you. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.